is Annie from the Banannie Diaries. I'm so excited to show you my Victoria's Secret haul. I am a Victoria's Secret partner. The links to shop will be in the description below. Let's do it. This robe that I'm wearing arrived in this order. I had to put it on right away. I'm so excited. I love it. It is a maxi robe, so it's all the way to the ground. It's long sleeves, really cozy, comfortable, cotton knit. So excited. And of course I got it in the iconic Victoria's Secret stripe pattern. Let's go through these bags. I have 2 bags from my order. Let's see what's here. Right here, this is from Pink. This I planned on for everyday outfits, also for the gym. This is Light Support Cotton Scoop Sports Bra. I'm so excited to wear this. Up next, ooh, look at that. 25 off a $75 purchase. These are the seamless leggings, also by Victoria's Secret Pink. I got just the regular color. I believe the official name is True Black. These are a small high rise. I absolutely love them. There's also just a very small logo in the back. You can barely see it. So if you don't like to have big writing or some of the really traditional pink letters written across your butt or wherever the styles are writing on these days, right here, very discreet logo. Really excited. Stay tuned. I will show you a video of me working out in these so you can see how they look in action. I haven't bought new pajamas in a very long time. I'm very guilty of not splurging on pajamas, but these were just way too cute to pass up. I couldn't pass these up. Just the pattern was so cute and so fun. I absolutely love it. Stay tuned because I'm going to be trying on all of these styles in a separate video, so hit that subscribe button. And for this box, last but not least, I really wanted to try a new fragrance. I don't know why I have this thing about me where I pick fragrances and then very shortly after they're all discontinued. So I'm going to try this new fragrance by Victoria's Secret. It's called Daring. Let me just open this box quick. Okay, the box has been opened. I'm so excited for this. I got the mist first. It was on sale when I purchased it, so I figured I wanted to try the mist before I went for a more expensive perfume bottle. But let's do a first sniff. Like it. It's got kind of like a the first scent I pick up on I would describe as like a musky, which I am a fan of. Please don't discontinue this one. I like this a lot. Daring. Check it out. I'll have it again linked for you down below. This is really good. I'm really excited for this. Okay, next bag. Oh, I did get a free pair with my order, so I chose little matching stripe action. I also chose the boxer version. I've never tried this style before, so I wanted to try this on because I thought that they could just be really cute pajamas as well. I ordered a size medium, and I think, let's see. This. I am a sucker for gloves. I love gloves. I'm obsessed with gloves. Any chance I can have to wear gloves with an outfit, I will wear gloves. I have been looking at their fashion show section and I saw all these really beautiful florals. And I saw someone wearing these gloves, but I couldn't find them. Then, like a day or two later, I found them and I had to add them to my cart. I'm literally so excited. These are floral mesh gloves. You already know they're going to be all over my styling videos, all over my feeds. These are amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I found them. Okay, stay tuned for these. There's going to be plenty more. And if you love gloves too, please comment below because I'm obsessed with styling outfits with gloves. All right, last but not least, I wanted to try a bodysuit from their new bodywear collection. My immediate impression of this is actually it's very thick. It's definitely got like a double layer action going on here. It's very soft. This one has a regular kind of brief bottom. It's not a thong, so it has a bit more coverage. There are snaps down here as well when you put it on, but I'm so excited to wear this. I was thinking just it would be super cute with some denim. I also thought that when I have my ballroom dance practice, I could wear this to that as well. So stay tuned. I'm so excited for all these new arrivals. I'm going to start styling them and getting them ready for some outfit inspiration. Shop with my link below. Also, make sure to subscribe and follow me because they do have exclusive discounts and I will be posting them for you as soon as I have them.